transport. In this video, I am going to explain you about the air transport. Let me do a short recap of my previous videos. Okay, it's just a short recap. What is a transport? As I taught you earlier, transport is traveling goods and people from one part of the country to the another part of the country. Yes, this is clear. Then the types of transport. There are three. As I mentioned you earlier, it is a land transport, it is a water transport, and third one is the air transport. Coming to the land transport, it has two types, road transport and rail transport. Road transport, as you know, there are like tonga and car, bus, there are private transport and public transport. It is the cheapest mode of transport, and the rail transport, it is used to travel the long distance from one part of the country to the another part of the country. Yes. Next is the water transport. As I taught you, this is the cheapest form, but it consumes lot of time. And comparatively to the land transport, it consumes less fuel also. So that's why it is cheap, but it takes a lot of time to travel. And the goods also, it takes a lot of time to travel from one part of the country to the another part of the country. Okay. So now this video I will be teaching you about the air transport. So now come, let's learn about the air transport. Dear children, now coming to the air transport, as we know, if we have to travel a long distance, अगर आपको वैष्णो देवी जाना है तो कैसे जाओगे? By ship? No. By train? No. If you have to travel very quickly and you have to consume time, so you have to use the air transport. Okay? And it is very easily when we travel a long distance with the help of these air transport. Okay, it saves time, right? No matter it's expensive, but it consumes a lot of time. So air transport is a form of travel by vehicles like aeroplanes, helicopters, hot air balloons, blimps, gliders, and parachutes. So these are the vehicles used for traveling long distances, okay, and for many other purposes also. These are the types of air transport. Okay, it's a mode of transport traveling by air. Aeroplane, as you know, helicopters, hot air balloons, blimps, gliders, and the parachute, as you know. And let me share with you one more point. The worldwide is being doubled between the mid 1980s and the 2000s. Okay. Kids, I would like to share some images about the types of air transport. Okay, you can see here it is an aeroplane. Yes. And the next one you can see it is a helicopters. Yes. Next it is a hot air balloons. Yes. Next, you can see the lifts. Yes, the gliders. Okay. Dear children, now coming to the air transport, as I have taught you, it is used when we have to travel a long distance. So we use air transport. Okay. So now let me teach you about the advantages of the air transport. Number one, it is a high speed. High speed means it can travel a maximum speed in a high rate. Okay, इसकी speed काफी high है. Number two, it's minimum cost. You can travel from one place to another and it is a cost is minimum. मतलब इसका जो fare होता है वो minimum होता है, ज़्यादा costly नहीं होता है. Number three, it is easy transport of costly and लाइट गुड्स. मतलब इजी ट्रांसपोर्ट है. अगर आपको कुछ ऐसे हैवी मटेरियल या आपको कुछ कॉस्टली मटेरियल है जो बहुत लाइट है गुड्स, वो आपको ट्रांसपोर्ट करना है, राइट, टू द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री. सो दिस ट्रांसपोर्ट इज वेरी यूजफुल एंड इज वेरी इजी आल्सो just to transport the goods of costly and light goods. Okay, the next one is it is free from physical barriers. Free from physical barriers मतलब according to the land transport, you know, when there is a rail transport, you can see there's lot of barriers. Barriers मतलब बीच में जो obstacles होते हैं, जैसे कि कभी ट्रेन की पटरी टूट गई या कभी कुछ और barriers आता है. And even the road transport also, there's lot of traffic in that. but ship transport, water transport, it takes a lot of time and it is very slow also. Even there are barriers in there also. According to the air transport, there is no physical barriers. आप देख सकते हो ऊपर, when you see up in the sky, जब आप आसमान में देख सकते हो ऊपर, the aeroplanes they just travel easily, you know, without any barriers. बीच में कुछ obstacles नहीं आते हैं. So it's very easy transport and it is a fastest mode of transport also. Easy भी है और fastest mode of transport also. It's very speed also. Last one, it is useful for agriculture and natural calamities. Useful for agricultural means it can transport the agricultural goods, okay, from one place of the country to the another part of the country. What is natural calamities? मतलब when there is a flood, जब बाढ़ आती है, आपने देखा होगा टीवी में. So with the help of air transport, in aeroplane, in helicopters, not in aeroplanes, in helicopter, they used to provide foods for the needy. आप देख सकते हो when the helicopter comes, it just throw the food, the people inside that they used to throw the food to the needy people. आपने देखा होगा जहाँ पर road, rail and water transport not reach there, so air transport reaches them. Okay, जहाँ पर land transport और water transport काम नहीं आता है, वहाँ पर air transport बहुत ही ज़्यादा हद तक काम आते हैं. Okay, even when there is earthquakes, when there is flood, storm, cyclone. Okay, so in these calamities, air transport plays a major role. Okay, dear children, I have taught you about the advantages, that is the plus point of the air transport. So now let's learn about the disadvantages. Okay, what is the minus point of that? First one, it is a high cost. As you know, the fare of this air transport is really high. So due to this, the middle class and the poor class people, they can't afford this. So it is of the high cost thing. Okay. Next is the more risk. There are more risk of the accident factors because a small mistake can lead into a heavy risk of accident and it's more dangerous to the passengers. Okay. Next one, it is a huge investment. इसमें भारी भरकम huge investment करना पड़ता है. मतलब you have to spend a lot of money when you travel in the air transport. And but one thing is that it consumes your time. आपका time बचता है, but it costs really very high. Because of this, the middle class and the poor class people cannot afford this air transport. Okay. Dear children, I have taught you about the types of the air transport. So now let's learn. The first one, it is aeroplane. You must have seen the aeroplane lights. It has a front room in that where pilots sit and they fly the aeroplane and they operate the aeroplane. Okay, it is a flying object. It is something like a vehicle, you know, like you can see the bus or like a rail transport on the road and a ship. These are the vehicles, okay, of the water transport and the land transport. So similarly, aeroplane is also a vehicle in the sky. Okay, so now let's learn some few points about it. Okay, it is there are more than 200 planes. Okay, 200 से planes से ज़्यादा है और उसमें कितने लोग बैठ सकते हैं? From 100 to 400 passengers. Okay, that's the first one. It is there are more than 200 planes. Okay, and it can carry from 100 to 400 passengers. The next one, it was invented by the Wright brothers. Okay, ये plane किसने invent किया? Wright brothers. और इसमें two types of है aeroplane. कौन से हैं? Passengers है और military plane है. Passengers mean जिसमें people or goods they are carried from one place to another. इस plane में people को और goods को भी carry किया जाता है. और दूसरा क्या है? Military planes. Military planes they are used for the war. जब युद्ध होता है तब कौन सा प्लेन यूज करते हैं? Yes, it is the military plane. Okay, these are used against the enemies. जो हमारे दुश्मन हैं उसके प्रति हम लोग कौन सा प्लेन यूज करते हैं? Yes, it is the military plane. War plane है, मतलब military plane क्या कहते हैं? War plane. War plane are there are two types. It is also called as fighters and bombers. मतलब war planes को fighters भी कह सकते हैं और bombers भी यूज कर सकते हैं because they are used against the enemies. Okay, and these planes are used to destroy the factories and buildings of the enemies. ये दुश्मनों के फैक्ट्रीज है, बिल्डिंग्स है, ये सब डिस्ट्रॉय करने के लिए वॉर प्लेन्स यूज किया जाता है. Whereas the passenger plane, it is used to carry the people, or you can say just to transport the people from one place to from the country to the another part of the country. As you know, its rate very high. So because of this, middle class family and the poor people, they can't afford this. Okay. So now let me teach you about the second type of air transport, which is a helicopter. You might have seen it has wings, that is called blades. It just to rotate the wings and so that it can fly. Okay. The first one is it has wings, that is blades to fly. इसमें blades हैं जो इसको fly करने में मदद करते हैं, जो rotate. Okay. Next is used as flying ambulance. That is क्या, जब patients को carry करना पड़ता है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर, सो ये एम्बुलेंस के रूप में भी यूज किया जाता है. ओके, तो हेलीकॉप्टर इज यूज्ड एज फ्लाइंग एम्बुलेंस टू कैरी द पेशेंट एंड लोडेड विथ वाटर. मतलब पानी से भी इसको हम भर सकते हैं हेलीकॉप्टर को. जहाँ पर भारी आग लगा होता है, जहाँ पर बहुत सारा आग लगी होती है, उनको बुझाने के लिए हेलीकॉप्टर में पानी से भरना पड़ता है. दैट इज लोडेड विथ वाटर लार्ज फायर्स. मतलब जहाँ पर बहुत भीषण आग लगी होती है, उन आग को बुझाने के लिए हेलीकॉप्टर्स में पानी भरा जाता है ताकि इन आग को बुझाया जाए. और ये एम्बुलेंस के रूप में भी यूज किया जाता है पेशेंट्स को एक जगह से कैरी करके हॉस्पिटल में पहुंचाने के लिए. ओके. नेक्स्ट, मिलिट्री फोर्सेस. तो मिलिट्री में कैसे यूज करते हैं हेलीकॉप्टर? जस्ट टू कैरी द ट्रूप्स. ओके. And it can fly for about 2.5 to 5 hours. मतलब 2.5 घंटे से 5 घंटे तक ये उड़ सकता है. फिर उसके बाद इसको स्टॉप करके फ्यूल भरना पड़ता है टू रीफ्यूल. ओके. एंड हाउ मेनी माइल्स इट कैन ट्रैवल? इट कैन ट्रैवल 2.5 miles. It can fly. Okay बेटा. And coming to the hot air balloons, it is a rooster, a duck and a sheep. They were the first hot air balloons. Which one? Rooster, duck and sheep. Okay. And it can rise about 1500. मतलब 1500 feet into the air. It can rise into the air. मतलब for about 2 miles. Okay. Hot air balloons means a rooster, a duck and a sheep. They were the first hot air balloons, and it can rise 1500 feet into the air. Approximately it can travel 2 miles. Okay. Coming to the next one, it is a blimps. A blimps is the other name of the hot air balloons or balloon filled with hot air like helium or the hydrogen. Okay. So now come, let's learn about the few points. First one is used for एडवर्टाइजिंग और टूरिज्म. ये ब्लिम्स किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? कुछ एडवर्टाइजमेंट करने के लिए. ओके. जैसे ये हवा में उड़ता रहे और उसमें कुछ रीड करो, कुछ ऐड करने के लिए या कुछ टूरिज्म के लिए, तो ये ब्लिम्स इसके लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द मॉडर्न जो ब्लिम्स है, आजकल के ज़माने में जो ब्लिम्स बनाते हैं, जैसे कि गुडईयर नाम है, ये ब्लिम्प में हीलियम भरा जाता था. इट वॉज फिल्ड विद हीलियम बिकॉज इट इज लाइटर देन एयर. वो हवा से भी हल्का है इसलिए ताकि वो उड़ सके. ओके. मॉडर्न जो ब्लिम्स है जैसे कि गुडईयर ब्लिम्स है, ये कैसे होता था? इनमें हीलियम भरा जाता था. तो दे वर फिल्ड विद द हीलियम सो दैट दे कैन फ्लाई इन द एयर. इट वाज नॉट फ्लेमेबल. नॉट फ्लेमेबल मतलब जिसमें आग नहीं लगती. हीलियम में आग नहीं लगती पर वो लाइटर होता है. ओके. बट एक्सपेंसिव, थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है, कॉस्टली है. अर्ली ब्लिम्स मतलब पहले जमाने की जो ब्लिम्स में क्या फिल करते थे? हीलियम में फिल करते थे. दे यूज्ड टू फिल द हाइड्रोजन. तो हाइड्रोजन क्या है? वो लाइटर है. हीलियम से कंपेयर करो तो हाइड्रोजन लाइटर है पर उसमें आग लगती थी. इट वाज फ्लेमेबल. ओके. अभी जो मॉडर्न जो ब्लिम्स है, व्हाट डू दे फिल इन दैट? हीलियम. ओके. इट इज नॉन फ्लेमेबल बट एक्सपेंसिव compatible to the early blimps. They used to fill hydrogen which is flammable but lighter than helium. ठीक है. हाइड्रोजन है वो हीलियम से भी लाइट है पर उसमें आग लगती थी. फ्लेमेबल. The last point is it can travel about 50 mph. mph I have told you miles per hour. For the 50 miles per hour, blimps can travel after the air. Okay. Okay, children. The last one is the gliders. Gliders are the same planes. Okay. The aircraft. This is a sort of aircraft which has no motor. इसमें motor नहीं है. But the pilot is there just to run this glider, but there's a lot of risk. Okay. Life का risk होता है. Sailplanes are gliders. मतलब sailplanes क्या उसको क्या कहते हैं? Gliders कहते हैं. Which has long wings. Long wings के कारण वो ज़्यादा ऊंचाई तक नहीं जा सकते. Dear children, in this video I have taught you about the air transport and their types. They were the aeroplanes, helicopters, hot air balloons, blimps, gliders. Okay. I hope you are thorough with the concept in this video. Okay. Watch our video and we will interact you soon in our Zoom online session.